Hello dear subscribers. Now we will show you how to make a natural juice to help you burn fat. If you consume these juices on an empty stomach, they will bring you energy and stimulate your metabolism in the early hours of the day to burn more fat. To slim down, there are many methods. Some are more effective than others. But there is a healthy and exquisite alternative, natural juices that burn fat. So, if you do not have the time or inclination to follow strict menus at heart, try these healthy and effective options to win your battle against the pounds. But before you start, please subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss any of the next remedies. So the juice with green tea and pineapple, natural juices to help you burn fat, green tea and pineapple. This juice is the best for burning localized fat. Do not miss this opportunity to lose weight with this healthy and natural recipe. Ingredients: 1. A spoonful of green tea, 10 grams, 2. A glass of water, 200 milliliters, 3. A slice of pineapple cut into small pieces, 5. The juice of half a lemon, 6. A spoonful of honey, 25 grams. So its preparation: first, heat the water, and when it comes to a boil, remove from the heat and add the tea. Second, rest until it cools and filter. Third, the liquid in the blender with the rest of the ingredients, then mix until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Take an empty stomach in the morning. Also eat in the evening before going to bed. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more natural remedy.